Guys, so this week I'll be uh, conducting a workshop on how to earn in LinkedIn. So before you want to learn, earn, or whatever you want to do anywhere, you need to have a goal. Why have you thought of earning from LinkedIn? Because it will take some time, practice, and consistency. If you say that you are not having time for other learnings, how can you overcome these kind of obstacles, which is time, knowledge, and handholding? Because you are not going for handholding. I don't know whether you will have sufficient time for knowledge or not, but still you have decided that you will do. Anyways, this will be my workshop, so I just ask you to fix on your why you have chosen to start on LinkedIn itself. Just because you are posting something in LinkedIn? So my solution will be find out the niche first. What is your love? What you would do without stopping. Find out time. Figure out which will be your time, how much time. Explore more, because there may be lot of ways, avenues to earn, not only from LinkedIn but from elsewhere. And it doesn't happen in a day, right? So it requires consistency. Every day, do you have this amount of time, or what kind of time do you have? Willingness is, suppose somebody is prepared to teach you, like in this case, I want to teach you about whatever I have known so far. So mental preparedness to surrender to this training will be there. Suppose you are having some kind of problem, so daily steps, what steps you need to take, that you need to decide. Then every day, whatever steps you take, you need to maintain a notebook, right? So writing posts. That is what? Writing post means what? Are you writing uh, just anything, or are you writing just quotes, or are you writing something, commenting on somebody's article, or are you writing a blog? So you need to first decide, right? So, and how much time? Each will require some time to perfect your trade before you start earning money. It doesn't happen in a day. So I'll be conducting a workshop. Let us figure out what is in your mind and how you can reach there. So see you in the webinar. I'd request you to register for that webinar in the below link. See you there in the workshop. Thank you.